Welcome. In today's tutorial, you'll learn step by step how to unblock someone on X, formerly known as Twitter. If you've ever blocked someone by mistake or simply changed your mind, this quick guide will show you exactly how to undo it in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where the block was made. Once you're on your home screen, look to the top left corner and tap on your profile picture. This will open your main menu. Next, tap on Settings and Support, then select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage all your account preferences and privacy controls. From there, tap on Privacy and Safety. This section contains all the options related to how you interact with others on the platform. Scroll down until you find Mute and Block, then go ahead and tap on it. Inside the Mute and Block page, you'll see several options, including muted accounts and blocked accounts. Choose blocked accounts to view the list of users you've blocked. Now, scroll through the list until you find the person you want to unblock. When you see their name, tap the blocked button next to their profile. A pop-up will appear confirming your action. Select Unblock, and that's it. The user will immediately be removed from your blocked list, and they'll have the ability to follow, reply, or interact with you again, just like before. Keep in mind, unblocking someone doesn't automatically refollow them. So if you want to see their posts again, you'll need to follow them manually. And there you have it. That's how you unblock someone on X using the latest version of the app. It only takes a minute, but can make a big difference if you're reconnecting with someone. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more step-by-step tutorials to keep your social apps running smoothly.